This is going to be a short video here. This video is going to be about changing out Scion TC rack and pinion. These go out after fairly normal use, not really too much abuse, but just fairly normal use. Typically, automotive shops, they'll charge you $1,000 to $1,500, $2,000 depending on what type of vehicle you have. But for someone who has basic hands-on knowledge and willing to get their hands dirty, they can do it. That's what I have on this shirt. On the back it says only the skilled survive. That's half true. It's only the skilled survive, but also who have put the time and effort in to learn. So before the skill comes, you have to have the will to do it. So to make a long story short, 2006 Scion TC. I have BC Racing coilovers installed on it right now. They need to be rebuilt. That's going to be another video. And this Hyperflex energy suspension master bushing kit. This kit this box, I've been doing a lot of woodwork in the garage, so it got a lot of wood dust on it. But this kit, basically this kit allows you to replace all of your suspension bushings, because over years of water, rain, sleet, snow, and just from driving conditions, hitting potholes, your old suspension bushings, they do go out. So these are made out of polyurethane. They're a little bit more stiff. Now the ones you get from the factory, they have a little bit more plush feel to them, you know, but they don't last as long as these right here. You'll have a more crisp feel to your steering wheel. You have a more crisp feel going through your cornering, braking, and depending on if you get the energy suspension engine bushing and transmission bushing, you'll see some benefits there too, but I don't have that, but that's up and coming. So goodbye. And if you're willing to do that yourself, you can get by fairly cheap doing this with some few hand tools and a few specialty tools. Now this is a rack and pinion. This is what allows the wheels to turn fluidly, you know, also giving you a power steering pump, but this allows it to turn fluidly to the left, fluidly to the right. So mine has begun leaking out of the boots right here. The seals have went out, and they started to let the oil that was in them start to let the oil out, and my steering is not as smooth anymore, so I'm going to be replacing that. So this is a remanufactured one. It cost me about $120 to get it rebuilt, remanufactured, and like I said, I'm going to be doing this myself. If you take it to the shop, you're going to be paying probably about $1,000, maybe more, depending on what type of vehicle you have. So come along with me as I do this. I'm going to be doing more tutorials on Toyota maintenance, because this is a Toyota-based vehicle. Pretty much every component that's on this car is on the Camry, is on the Corolla, is on the Toyota RAV4. So all of those parts are interchangeable. So I just wanted to make that quick, short video. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.